We're recording again because... Wait, there's something on my hand. We're recording again because I accidentally hit the button. Don't laugh at me.
Because you accidentally hit the button.
So?
That's great.
You say so. What are you doing, Rachel? And that butt shot there? Yeah. Woo! Oh my god, the guys on YouTube are gonna like that.
I have my humps on the thing and
Oh,
I'm gonna record
Jesus!
it. I don't know if I do. You gotta see her do my humps.
Yeah! We're gonna
Ridiculous.
film that too and put it on YouTube.
Where is it? I don't think I do. No.
Come on, you have to have it.
Don't.
How do you not have
Wait,
it?
do I have their CD? That's the question.
The Black Eyed Peas?
Yeah. I'll go look. What did I mess up?
My
No, it's different.
I don't understand the CD, do I?
Can I suck the helium out of that?
Yeah.
There is no helium in it.
There has to.
Bullshit.
There is a little bit.
Barely any. I'm gonna do it. Well, that's really dumb. I don't even have that. Wait, I have Fergie.
Well, that's not on there.
It's not.
No. Fergie is different than the Black Eyed Peas.
Hell yeah, son.
Did you really?
Do what?
I don't even have it.
Listen, listen.
That's a bomb.
I'm about to piss my pants. What the fuck?
Say, I just thought I should say I love you.
I thought I should say I love you.
Wait, I want to do though. What do I say? What do I say?
Let me do my friend.
But wait, I gotta get some. What do I say?
I love you. I love you.
I wish we had more balloons. What the fuck?
I need medication, I need medication, I need medication.